200 is the number of components that make up this watch. For those who love intricate watch movements, the Zenith Defy El Primero is a must-see. You're witnessing the incredibly complex and beautiful mechanism of this timepiece. Additionally, this watch features a sports chronograph function, measuring up to 1/100th of a second. Safely disassembling all the components is a huge challenge, requiring intense focus. Enjoy the footage I've captured during the servicing process. Please share your thoughts on this amazing watch.